So here in this sheet, I called it sequencing. How do you typically put numbers like 1 through 20? One way people do it is they type 1, 2, 3, and then they select it, and then they go and scroll down till 20, and that's how you get 20, right? What if you had to do 2000? What if you had to do like 900? Then this approach really isn't very practical. So let's look at a different approach. So for now, I enter only one number, 1. And if I drag that down, it will automatically copy just 1. So I want a series. So just enter 1 in the very first box, A1. Then what happens when I press Alt on the keyboard? What happens when I press Alt on the keyboard? I see all of these items, right? Then if I press H, what happens? It automatically selects only the Home tab. So the first Alt gives me letters for all the tabs. Once I pick one letter, it automatically chooses all the items in that tab. Okay. Now, so Alt H, right? Now you press F. So notice only the F items are available. And now you press I. So now it only goes FI. So that's drop down box that you see over there. And then you choose S for series. And this is what you got. So what I did was Alt H F I S. That's what I use. Alt H F I S. And now I will go under columns. And I'll say that I want to start at 1. And I want to go till, let's say, 200. And okay. And here you go. You got 200 items.